Once upon a time, in a world hidden beneath the sea, lived a small, blue fish named Hydra. Hydra was not an ordinary fish, but a Hydra agent, a secret protector of the ocean. Every day, Hydra swam through the deep blue waters, looking for trouble. One day, he noticed something unusual. A group of mean crabs were bullying a young octopus, taking away her precious shells. Hydra quickly swam over, ready to help. "Stop," he said, his voice as strong as a whale's. The crabs stopped, surprised by the little fish. "Give back the shells," Hydra demanded. The crabs laughed, thinking they could easily overpower the tiny fish. But Hydra didn't back down. He stood tall, ready to protect the octopus. In the end, Hydra's courage convinced the crabs to return the shells. The octopus, grateful for Hydra's help, thanked him with a big, friendly hug. From that day on, Hydra became a hero in the ocean. He continued to protect the sea creatures, always standing up for what was right. And whenever a friend was in trouble, they could always count on Hydra Agent. As the sun set, Hydra swam home, feeling proud and happy. He knew that no matter how small he was, he could make a big difference. And that's what being a Hydra agent was all about. Good night, little ones. Remember, always be kind, have courage, and help those in need. Just like our friend Hydra Agent. The end.